Do you want to get her back? Then stop doing what you think works. Forget texting her. Forget making desperate calls. Forget all the advice you've read on random websites. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to tell you one brutally simple yet incredibly effective move that will change the game. I'm talking about something that goes against every instinct you've got. But if you do this right, you can have her wanting you back in just 24 hours. This is not some cheap motivational crap. This is the real deal. If you can handle the truth, stick around. But if you want a sugar-coated version, this video is not for you. The move. Completely disappear. That's right, disappear. No texts, no calls, no liking her social media posts, nothing. Just gone. Like a ghost. Now I know you're thinking, how does disappearing make her want me back? The answer is simple. Scarcity. When you're always there, she knows she's got you. You're predictable, and there's no mystery. But when you vanish, suddenly everything changes. She starts to question everything. Psychologically speaking, there's something called reactance. When you pull away, you're taking away her freedom to reach you, and that makes her crave your connection even more. 1. The Scarcity Principle. Make her miss you. If you've ever heard the phrase, absence makes the heart grow fonder, then you already understand the power of scarcity. It's a psychological phenomenon that's deeply rooted in human behavior. Scarcity drives value. When you disappear, she starts to realize just how much she's missing you. She starts to crave your presence because you're no longer readily available. Robert Cialdini calls this loss aversion. People fear losing what they already have. By disappearing, you're triggering that fear, making her want to reconnect. 2. The psychology of mystery. Women are naturally attracted to mystery. If she knows everything about you, there's no challenge, no reason for her to stay intrigued. When you disappear, you create an aura of mystery around you. She doesn't know what you're doing, who you're with, or why you're suddenly silent. This drives her curiosity, and curiosity breeds interest. Remember the last time someone stopped texting you, and you couldn't stop thinking about why? That's exactly what will happen with her. The Zeigarnik effect shows that people obsess over incomplete tasks. By disappearing, you're creating an incomplete task in her mind, making her think about you constantly. 3. The power of high value. Indifference as a weapon. High value, men don't chase, they attract. This is where indifference becomes your greatest weapon. Most men try too hard. They're texting, calling, constantly checking in. Women sense this desperation, and it instantly turns them off. By disappearing, you're showing her that you're high value. You're demonstrating that you're perfectly fine with or without her. This kind of confidence is incredibly attractive because it's rare. Most guys act like they need her to be happy, but a high-value man is happy on his own. You have to understand, women are naturally attracted to men who know their worth and don't settle for less. It's like what James Clear talks about in his book, Atomic Habits. He says, "You do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems." The system here is simple. When she pulls away, you pull away even further. You don't chase, you don't beg, you simply vanish and let your value speak for itself. 4. Use silence to trigger an emotional response. Silence is powerful. Most men underestimate just how powerful silence can be, especially after a breakup. Silence isn't just the absence of words. It's the most powerful way to get her to reconsider. When you go silent, she has to sit with her own thoughts, wondering why you're not reaching out and what's changed about you. When you're constantly reaching out, you're giving her the chance to feel validated. She knows you're still there, still waiting, and still invested. But when you go silent, you remove that comfort. Suddenly, she doesn't know where she stands with you, and that uncertainty will create a powerful emotional reaction. In psychological terms, this is known as cognitive dissonance. It's the discomfort she feels when her actions, breaking up with you, don't match her feelings, still having feelings for you. 5. Focus on yourself. Become the man she wants. This is where most guys get it wrong. They think that disappearing means sitting around waiting for her to come back. Wrong. Disappearing means focusing on you. It means hitting the gym, working on your goals, improving your life, and becoming the best version of yourself. High-value men are always improving themselves, and that's exactly what you need to do. If she comes back and sees that you've leveled up, that you're happier, healthier, and more confident, she'll be drawn to you. Show her that you're not the same guy she walked away from. You're stronger and thriving. This is where attraction truly happens. Women are naturally attracted to men who are driven, ambitious, and constantly improving. When she sees that you're not just surviving without her, but actually thriving, she'll start to regret her decision. She'll start to see you as the high-value man that you are, and she'll want to be a part of your life again. 6. The power of no contact. Why it works. The no contact rule is not just a strategy, it's a psychological tool that works wonders. The idea is simple. No contact for at least 30 days. During this time, you completely disappear from her life. No texts, no calls, no social media interactions. Nothing. Why does this work? Because it allows her to reset her emotional state. After a breakup, emotions are all over the place. She might be angry, frustrated, or just overwhelmed. By going no contact, you're giving her the space she needs to process those emotions without your influence. And as time goes on, the negative emotions will start to fade and she'll start to remember the good times. 7. Don't react. Let her come to you. Here's a tough truth. When you disappear, she might try to get your attention. She might post on social media, reach out to mutual friends, or even send you a text just to see if you're still there. It's crucial that you don't react. If she texts you, don't immediately respond. If she posts something on social media, don't like it. Stay committed to the plan no matter what. By not reacting, you're showing her that you're serious. You're showing her that you're not going to jump at the first sign of attention. This will make her even more curious and will make her work even harder to get your attention. Remember, high-value men don't chase, they attract. 8. When she reaches out, play it cool. Eventually, she will reach out. When that happens, it's important that you play it cool. Don't jump into deep conversations about the relationship. Don't start talking about how much you miss her or how badly you want her back. Keep things light and casual. The goal is to rebuild attraction, not to dive back into the same old patterns. Think of it as a fresh start. You want to show her that you're different, that you've grown, and that you're not the same guy she broke up with. This is your chance to show her the new and improved version of yourself. Keep the conversations fun, light, and positive. Let her see the high-value man you've become. 9. The brutal truth. Not every relationship can be saved. Here's the part that's tough to hear. Not every relationship can be saved, and that's okay. Sometimes the best thing you can do is to let go and move on. Disappearing and focusing on yourself isn't just about getting her back. It's about becoming the best version of yourself, regardless of whether she comes back or not. The truth is, if she doesn't come back, then she wasn't the right person for you. And that's not a reflection of your worth. It's just life. The right person will see your value and will want to be a part of your life. And by focusing on yourself, you're putting yourself in the best position to attract the right person, whether it's her or someone else. Conclusion: the power of disappearing. Getting her back isn't about begging, chasing, or making grand gestures. It's about doing the exact opposite. It's about disappearing, giving her space, and focusing on yourself. When you do this, you're showing her that you're a high-value man, and you're creating the perfect conditions for her to miss you and want you back. This takes discipline, confidence, and the ability to control your emotions. If you can do this, you'll not only increase your chances of getting her back, you'll become a stronger, better version of yourself. And that's what truly matters. The ending is simple but powerful. You deserve someone who sees your value and wants to be a part of your life. Whether that's her or someone else, the key is to never settle, never beg, and never lose sight of your own worth. The right person will see that, and they'll come back. Until then, focus on being the best version of yourself, and let everything else fall into place. If you found value in this video, share it. Not because it's nice, but because someone else might need to hear these tough truths too. Thanks for watching, and remember, high-value men don't chase, they attract.